How it can be when starting out as an aspiring author, when starting this journey of writing and self-publishing your book. The fear, the uncertainty, the thought of how to put everything together. And I've always said that self-publishing is a small business. You are running a business. You're doing everything yourself. So the fear of how to put all of these things together, and coupled with some things, some aspiring, some notions, some misconceptions that aspiring authors have, they never get to write their book. They never get to write their book. So I want to talk about those mistakes, those notions, those mistakes that we make as aspiring authors in this video. I want to address some of these mistakes that we make so that when you're starting out, you don't make them. And number one is this. Number one, as an aspiring author, the mistakes we make is this. We wait till we're looking for the perfect timing. Some of us are perfectionists. I know myself, so I fall in that category. Everything has to be perfect. If it is not that ideal time to write, if there is no light, if the fan is not blowing, the AC is not on, you can't write. If this one, that one, you can't do anything. Perfect timing to start or to publish your poem, to publish your book. Some people, they have manuscripts. Their manuscripts are there on their laptop. I know somebody that perfection paralysis is holding her back. She has written 2 books, 2 manuscripts. She has 2 manuscripts. The stories are awesome. As in, I have a beta readers club, BRC, and she brought her manuscripts for us for critique. What we just do in the club is like a book club, but it's a book review club. We critique and evaluate manuscripts, and we review published books. And what we do, she brought those manuscripts for us to review, to tell us our opinion of the manuscripts. I have never seen a manuscript that is pure prose from beginning to end. As in, there is no convo, no conversation at all, no dialogue tags, nothing. It's pure prose from beginning to the end, and the story is gripping, captivating. I've known this lady for like 2 years now. Those manuscripts are not published. They are not published. And it's not as if there's anything. It's perfect timing. There's no perfect time. In this real world, there's never a perfect moment. There's never a perfect moment. Successful authors write despite busy schedules, family obligations, full-time jobs. They find the time to write. If it is 20 minutes you can block in a day, block it and say this is the time for writing. If it is just one word you can write within that 20 minutes, it is something. By the end of the month, you will have a paragraph. By the end of the next month, you will have another paragraph. It is something. By the end of the year, you would have almost finished the manuscript or about to. Because I know you won't stop at writing just one word per day. No, there will be times that you will write more than that. So the solution is, if it is just 15 minutes or 20 minutes that you can set aside per day, set a calendar or alarm to remind you, and treat it as your time, as any other important thing in your life. This small, consistent progress beats any sporadic writing marathons. Some people are waiting until their vacation time to write. Start writing now. So let's move on to the next one. What's the next mistake aspiring authors make? Not investing in their writing career. We go to school to learn. We use the certificate to work. We do certifications for our jobs and all of that. Why do we not do the same for our writing career? Why? Many aspiring authors want success, but they hesitate to spend money on their craft. They won't go for any course. They won't take any writing course. They won't do anything. You need to view writing as a business. Invest in writing courses, professional editing, quality writing software, industry conferences. You need to invest in your writing career. I've been talking about my WSB training program. That is one thing you can take advantage of. There are other writing courses, free ones online. Whatever you want to find out what's your area where you lack, where you are lacking in your writing career. Okay, say you don't know so much about story development. You take a course, a free course on it. These skills and connections, these skills you will gain, and then when you do writing courses, you meet people, you go for events, you meet people, literary events, you meet people. These connections you will gain, it will pay dividends throughout your writing career. It will pay dividends throughout your writing career. Another mistake aspiring authors make is isolating themselves from the writing community. I mean, this is a no-brainer. You need other people. The era of authors going solo is gone. You need other people. You need other authors. You need to know other authors in your field. It's not only in your field actually, but you need to know authors. You need to know other people in the literary community. Join a book club. I just told you about BRC. All they do is a type of book club. All they do is review manuscripts. Join a book club. Writing doesn't have to be solitary. You are missing a valuable feedback. You will be missing valuable feedback. Support and industry insight. Some things you don't know. Maybe at the book club, they will talk about it. Maybe at the writing event, literary event that you attend, they will talk about it. So you gain valuable feedback, support, and industry insight. So what do? Join a writing group, attend workshops, participate in online communities, and find beta readers. This fresh perspective will strengthen your work and keep you accountable. What's the other one? Ignoring the business side of self-publishing. Aspiring authors, self-publishing is a business. It is a business. You are the small business. So that's what I always call aspiring authors and small business owners besties in business. You are both doing business. You are both running a small business. Writing is art, but self-publishing is a small business. Self-publishing is a small business. That's why I always call authors and small business owners besties in business. What's the solution to this? Learn about everything. Learn about everything. Learn about marketing. Learn about industry news. Learn about royalties. Learn about how to publish, how to promote your book, marketing, distribution. Learn every aspect of this business that you have entered into. If you're serious, if you're really serious about your writing and publishing career, you need this. Then what's the fifth one? Not having a marketing plan. A lot of authors just publish and then they are waiting for the book to sell themselves and wondering, how will the book sell themselves? How will the book sell itself? You have to sell it. You have to promote it. Writing the book is like about just 50% of the success. The book will not sell itself unless you promote it. So you have to create a plan. Create a 6-month pre-launch and post-launch strategy. What are you going to do? Let that plan include content calendar, promotional events, team recruitment, volunteers, people that can volunteer to help you, and paid advertising budgets. Yes, paid advertising, Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads. Yes, because you need to promote, even if it is just 10,000 every month to promote your book. It's an investment. You want to reap something from the book, but you do not want to invest in it. It is not possible. These are the 5 mistakes I've seen. Commonest mistakes I've seen aspiring authors make when they are starting out on this writing and self-publishing journey. I hope you will not be one of those making that mistake. Since you have heard this and you've heard the solutions to the problem, please Do not be that kind of author. Make sure you are not making those mistakes. And if you're ready to start your author journey and you want me to be your guide, hit me up. My details are showing on on the screen. Let's talk about your book writing and self-publishing journey. All right, take care till the next video comes your way. Have a lovely, lovely day.